Welcome to another small road trip with Mbongoma, The Life of Mbuwa, Chapter 77. The Miseducation of Music by Mbongoma. Playing you songs that you've never heard. Today I'm playing a song that's been redone 3 times. You've heard it, Agama Hlatini, but you thought he was the originator of the song. He wasn't. He copied it. Here is a song. The original song, Gazette, by Obed Ngobe. So as we're driving through the farms, right, now I'm going to take you through probably the version that most of you know. The first version, the chances are you don't know. So I'll play you the one that was made very famous by Mahlatini as we drive through the ZZ2 farms. There we go. So the third version, right? Very few of you have actually know this. There's an American artist called Harry Belafonte who heard about the amazing things that were happening in Kazankulu. Kazankulu is my homeland, my Bantustan. My homeland is Gaza. History? Okay. Kazankulu is the part of Gaza in South Africa. The main Gaza is Gaza Kingdom in Mozambique. That included Mozambique, South Africa, and Zimbabwe. Colonial rule, borders, we fell aside. So Harry Belafonte has had so many great things about this Kazankulu in South Africa, the land of the Shangaan people, that he decided to do a song. First American artist.
Lots of progress in Kazankulu.
And what is even more fascinating is that the fourth cover, right, came from France, from a lady called Lizzie Samson Claw. I mean, it's absolutely fascinating, and here it is right now, right?
Et je marchais dans la rue un soir pas d'autre. Seul à seul, je comptais mes pas pour me rassurer. Tout en fumant dans le noir un mégot ajouré. Les eaux chasses, le temps qui pressait la caravane passe. Je pensais au sommeil pour de me réveiller. Mais au carrefour soudain, je les ai entreaperçus.
French version of Kutlukile Gazette, which we just listened to. You would think that Mahlatini did the cover, Harry Belafonte did the cover of Kutlukile Gazette. You would think that this French lady, Lizzie, the name, Ticlon, did a cover of this version. That, you know, the Ngobeni family should be fairly moneyed. You know, I doubt and I wonder how much royalties came to Obed Ngobeni's way from the returns of his album. Mina, for me, especially the one Mahlatini, because that defined Mahlatini. If you talk about Mahlatini in South Africa, the only song that people know is we know Kutlukile Gazette, and that's not even his song. It's really heartbreaking for me. I doubt. I mean, I wonder how much money came to Obed Ngobeni from the song, and I probably think nothing. And then 2 more other covers were done by international artists, and I wonder how much money came to the Ngobeni family, Ngobeni, Obed Ngobeni, the exploitation of black people. It's not exclusive to the exploitation of Machangani, but that was really exploiting our people. With that said, enjoy the songs. Gazette, Mbuwa wakangomani, Mchila wakondlo awukhomiwi, Gingirikani Machangani, Gingirikani Makaza.